my dog. His name is Kevin. You saw him in my first video. If you haven't seen my first video, go check that out because it's a lot about stuff that I'm going to do on my channel. And sorry I haven't been posting. I've been busy with school starting, all that mess. Haven't had any videos ideas. I've been trying to post videos, but I mean, school started and people have gotten a lot sweatier in Skywars. Like the first video, pretty easy to make. Second video, pretty easy to make. Third video, I had a bunch of problems with the Hive Skywars Collectors and Combos Part 3. That one was really hard to record. It took me like a month to make that. Today, we're gonna be having my dog. I'm gonna throw a toy to him. He's gonna come and go over to get it, and then I'm gonna go hide. And then he's gonna be like, huh, dork, dork. And he's not gonna know where I am. And it's gonna leave for funny moments, super funny slow-mos, and yeah, just enjoy, I guess. Woo! Okay, now I have a chicken and now my dog's here. So, comment down below if you like the jump cuts. I think they're pretty cool. So, I am gonna throw this, and then he is gonna go get it, and I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna go over there that time, and then next time I'm gonna put the pillows. So that'd be pretty cool. Let's go. Kevin, come on. Come here, Kev. Kevin, come here. Kevin, come on. Kevin. Come on, Kev. Come here. Hi. Hi, Kev. Who's a dog? You're a dog. Did you know that? Yeah, you want me to throw a squeaky toy, don't you? Okay, so this time we're gonna go behind the pillows. So, let's do it! I'm just gonna go throw this for him. Cut! Kevin, come here! Come on, Kev! Let me set the pillows up. Come on, Kev! Okay. Come on, Kev, give me the thing. This is gonna take a little while, Center, but ready? Go. Idiot. So, I want to see the slow-mo of it and see his reaction when I was gone, because I didn't see any of it. I was just stuck in a bunch of pillows. So, yeah. That one's pretty fun. Now we're going to try hiding under the blanket and see how that goes. So, let's go! Kevin, come on. Kevin. I hope you enjoyed the video. You better have. I'm just kidding. You could dislike if you want. I don't care. So, I don't care about likes. You don't have to like. I would be very happy if you could subscribe and just share this with your friends. Maybe give them a laugh. And, yeah. Hope you enjoyed.